Sagama Padamare ni ni re ma Dhapa ga 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 Sagapa Padamare ni ni re ma Dhapa ga 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 Mana manatil ध्यासा मधुनी उमले फलश्रुती सरस्वतीच्या गाभाऱ्यातील ज्योती फलश्रुती मना मनातील ध्यासा मधुनी उमले फलश्रुती सरस्वतीच्या गाभाऱ्यातील ज्योती फलश्रुती
never know what happens in the last minute. So let's come back to the subject wise and dates and the lectures. Since I had been telling you since the beginning that we were unable to start with the guidance lectures as per the dates which were mentioned in the prospectus for the simple reason, and that is the board had not given us the revised paper pattern until last 10 days. So once we got the paper pattern, we thought we should not wait till we get the paper pattern of all the subjects, because you have to write 4 test series, and if we delayed, we do not conduct the subject lectures or we do not conduct the test series, you may not be in a position to complete all the 4 test series, and therefore we have rescheduled our dates, and we would be conducting the subject guidance lectures today as well as in the coming week. So how we are managing is, since most of the junior colleges are having the classes in the afternoon at 12 or 12:30 onwards, we will be having the subject-wise guidance lectures in the morning. So this would be the timetable. On 20th October, we will be having the bookkeeping from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. On 21st, we'll be having organization of commerce again from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And on the same day, the science students would be having biology from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Then 20th there is one lecture, 21st there are two lectures, both for commerce as well as for biology. And on the 22nd we will have secretarial practice from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. If possible, I would request the teacher to, instead of 11 a.m., if she can start at 10 o'clock, so that we can have all the lectures from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And again on the 23rd, we'll be having chemistry from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Now you must be wondering why we have not written anything about arts. Dear students, art students, we have not received anything so far from the board other than economics, political science, these are, and mathematics. We do not have any other subjects. Languages also, nothing has come from the board. So if we wait for the board to send us all the subject paper pattern, we will not have sufficient time, and it would be really a big too much of tension for you as well as for us to conduct so many classes also at a time. So we have decided to follow this pattern. We will complete the commerce and the science next week, and the remaining subject, as and when we start getting the paper pattern from the board, we will be conducting after 25th of October. The first set of test paper would be of 75%. That means out of 100%, 25% or reduction is already been given to you all. Your teachers have already declared during your online classes. So what is remaining is a 75% portion. So based on that 75% portion, we are conducting the first test. So first test series, therefore, we have written it as it will be on the full portion, that is the 75% portion. After the test is over, just before you get your SS papers, you will be getting the model answer papers of each of the test series that we are going to conduct. All the answer papers will be couriered to us at our Ghatkopar office. You are going to write the question paper. We will be sending you the question paper. You are going to write the answer papers at home and then courier it to us at the Ghatkopar office. Now, this is the most important activity which we are going to conduct. So I would request all of you to please note down the date and the place where we are going to distribute the materials. As I told you, the first question paper set would be for those subjects where the paper pattern is received. Science and commerce, all subjects except languages and vocational subjects. For arts, it's going to be only economics, political science, math, and logic. And as well as you will be getting the 25% reduced portion. Now, when are we going to get all these things? The materials would be distributed on the 1st of November. Please remember this date, 1st November, reserve it for you all to collect the materials at the centers which I am going to right now tell you. Along with the question paper, what are the other things that we are going to provide you? You will be getting the main answer sheets and the supplements. You would be getting the thread, the barcode sticker, the holograph sticker, green paper envelopes with the Ghatkopar office address printed on it. You don't even have to buy anything, not even an envelope, not even hunt for the address because it will be already printed and given to you. Then there is going to be thread packet, the graph paper for maths also. These are the centers that which we are going to take for distribution of your materials. Dadar, Thane, Goregaon, Vashi, Virar, Kalyan, and Ghatkopar. Ghatkopar is our head office. So these are the 6 centers that we are using. So you can decide now which center you would like to opt for to collect your examination materials. Whenever, whichever center you go, on the date that is given to you, carry your identification card. Now, iCard here means you can have your 11th standard iCard with you, which you already have. You can bring that along with you. You can carry your Aadhaar card, or you can even bring your fee receipts for while collecting your examination material. Now, why we are insisting on this is because the person who is going to hand over your material examination kit should have some proof that the material is going to the authentic person. So this is only for for authentication from our side that it has gone to the right person, and nobody should misuse it, or nobody should come and say that you belong to Falashruti and you wanted the examination material of so and so. No, it won't be like that. Unless and until you prove yourself. It is not necessary that the students themselves have to come. You can send your parents also, they can come and collect. Or if it is possible for you, you can come to the respective center and collect your examination material. The instructions which I am now further giving will be only for those students who have opted for test series without courier service. For those who have opted for courier service facilities, you please ignore these instructions. It is not meant for you because you have paid for the courier, so you will be getting everything at your doorstep. You need not move out of the house to collect your materials. Due to COVID-19, lot of restrictions have been imposed by the government, as a result of which some of the schools have refused to give their premises. Hence, the vans would be waiting outside these centers to distribute the material. The timing will be sent on your mail, and then accordingly you will be assembling there to collect your material only after producing the proper identification card. At Dadar, earlier Shardashram School was the center. as they have refused to give us this center, so now we are going to use the Ideal, somewhere near Ideal Book Depot or the Ideal Book Depot itself, which is at Chabildas Road. You can come there and collect your material, writing material. This is for those who are staying in and around Dadar, right up to Churchgate, Fort area, Kala Chowki. All those students who are in that area, they can come to Dadar to pick up their materials. Those who are in the western suburbs, the previous address was Abhi Goregaonkar School, which is written in the prospectus, but this school has also refused to give us the premises. So we will be actually operating from our registered office, which is at Goregaon, that is 101 Champanimas, first floor, plot number 10, Srinagar Colony, off MG Road, Goregaon West. This is a proper office. So from you there, you can collect your material. As far as Virar Center is concerned, you need not come down to Goregaon. We have a separate center at Virar. Only the venue will be announced nearer about the time. Those who are in New Bombay, the island city, you can come to Vashi Sector 1 near IES School. Just outside IES School, our van will be waiting there. You can collect your papers from there. And those who are from Thane, Kalwa, you can go to Thane near Bhagwati School. Bhagwati High School was the center initially, but even they have refused to give the school premises. So we will be waiting somewhere close to Bhagwati School, and the van will be waiting there to provide you with the materials. If you are staying somewhere around Sain, Chembur, Kurla, Vikroli, Kanjurmarg, you can always opt for Ghatkopar, our head office, which is on the main road. So it is Sakar Bhavan, office number 107, first floor, Kurla Industrial Estate. You can collect your material from there. The timing will be mentioned to you when we send you the mail. As far as Kalyan is concerned, the place is mentioned over here. Kalyan Center is for those who are staying in Dombivli, Ambernath, Badlapur, Shahpur. Students, now you can see our students who have enrolled for fellowship are from far and wide. We have people from Badlapur, Ambernath, Nasik, Aurangabad, from such far away places. Now, obviously, those who are in Nasik, they cannot come down to Kalyan to collect the papers. For them, we are going to courier because they have paid the courier charges. The other students who are in and around Kalyan, Dombivli, Ambernath area, they will come down to Kalyan to collect the papers. Now, this Kalyan Center is a new center which we have started. Ghatkopar Center is also a new center which has been started. The earlier, it was only Dadar, Goregaon, Vashi, and Virar. These were the centers. And Thane, these were the 5 centers. Now we have introduced Kalyan Center and Ghatkopar Center, keeping the convenience of the students in mind. We know that the transport facilities were not very good initially. Now it is improved, and to maintain the health and safety of the students and to maintain the social distancing protocol, we have increased the number of centers so that the students are safe. Your health, your safety is our priority. So we have therefore introduced these 2 new centers. Now, while filling the admission form, the center for the material distribution was not given. You were not given the preference to opt for these centers. So we would be sending you the Google form tomorrow for you to opt for the center of your choice. You decide out of the 6 centers that we have announced just now, which center would be very closest to your residence, which center would be very convenient for you to come and pick up the material. Depending on that, you will have to come once to the respective center which you are going to opt for to collect the writing material. And after you finish writing the answers, you will be courier the answer papers to us at our Ghatkopar office. You need not come all the way down to Ghatkopar. You can courier it. Those who want to save on the transportation charges, those who want to come and meet us personally at Ghatkopar, you are free to do so. The timings for accepting your answer papers would also be announced shortly. Once you fill the Google form and submit it to us, it's all online, you will immediately get an acknowledgement of the form that we have received your Google form. Now we come to activity, the paper writing part. As you know, you have all paid for the 4 test series, and these all 4 test papers are based on the revised board pattern. Emphasis should be given on developing the writing skills. First time when you are writing the first test paper and when we correct the papers, you may find that your paper looks very colorful with all reading everywhere. Doesn't matter. This is the way how we are going to learn. Practice makes a man perfect. Only when you fail, you will realize where you have failed and what are the mistakes that you made, so that the second test paper which you're going to write, you will overcome these mistakes, and you will write in a proper manner, better manner than what you had done in the previous test. So don't feel bad if your first test answer paper is going to be very, very colorful. Doesn't matter. We will try to help you in improving your writing skills, so that by the time we finish our last fourth paper, you will find that you have built a lot of confidence, and then you will remember or memorize and recollect the instructions which would be given to you during the one-to-one phase guidance. The sincerity and consistency results in perfection. The first set of question paper would be given along with the materials on 1st November, and the remaining question papers, that means the remaining 3 question papers, would be sent to you online. Papers are to be written at home, as I told you. Don't use any books, guides, notes. All these are banned, because there is no point copying the answers. It would not help you in the long run. Follow the time schedule strictly and submit the answer papers by courier on or before the time which will be given to you. If any paper is submitted late, we will not accept your paper and assess the papers. Chalk out a timetable for writing the test papers. Maintain a gap of 3 days in between the 2 papers. Don't write just because you have to write. You have to prepare thoroughly before you write the paper. Otherwise, the whole drill is a waste of time for you and for us also. Study the subject thoroughly and then start writing the test papers. The answer sheet, as I told you, has to be sent to us by courier or hand delivery to the Ghatkopar office. Envelopes are provided with the Ghatkopar office address, and once the answers are corrected, papers are corrected by us, we will be scanning your papers and sending you the corrected answer sheet on the PDF form on mail. So on the day of the face-to-face guidance, you will be sitting at your end with the corrected answer paper, and our subject experts would be sitting at the office over here, and we will be having face-to-face guidance with the help of the answer papers that we have assessed. So this face-to-face guidance would be conducted only on Sundays on Zoom or on Google Meet, for which given in the prospectus, as the paper pattern of some subjects have still not been declared by the board. The new dates for the activity will be sent on your mail. And for further information, if you have any information, you can download the prospectus from our website, www.falashruti.com. Now here are the tentative dates that we are giving you. 29th of November, 1st November, we are going to give you the first set of paper, which you are supposed to. So you have got almost 28 days to complete your first set. And on the same day, we will be sending you the second set of paper on mail. The second set will be provided to you on the 29th, and you are supposed to submit that paper on the 20th of December. So this is the timetable which we have written down. We will be sharing the timetable along with the material when we are providing on the first. But please remember now, the 1st November, we'll give you the first set of paper, and you have to return it to us before 29th of November.
Sagama Padamare